Here I have DONGFENG Box, and let me show you how to enable rare fog lights. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's open the car icon right here to open the settings. Then on the left tab, you can choose the second option, which is light. Here you've got access to exterior lights, so this is the first tab of the following settings, and here you can tap rare fog lights. But if you would like to use rare fog lights, you need to turn on the low beam first. So let me enable low beam right here and enable the rare fog lights. And that's it. Right now, the car should use a bright red light, but you should use it only during a heavy fog or snow to make you more visible to car behind you. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up.